We live in an era of disposable electronics. Cheap plastic, planned obsolescence, designed to fail just outside the warranty. It is rare, truly rare, to find a tool built with a different philosophy, a piece of hardware that simply works. The RAIZEA Smartboard, 55-inch interactive whiteboard display, 4K UHD touchscreen digital electronic whiteboard, is one such exception. Most interactive displays feel like writing on a wet sponge. The lag is palpable, the accuracy, an afterthought. RAIZEA, however, introduces something else entirely. Their 20-point multi-touch system, paired with an astonishing 8-millisecond response time and 2mm accuracy, sets a new industry benchmark. It is, to put it simply, like thought made visible. Imagine a Tuesday morning presentation. No fumbling with projectors, no awkward calibration. You simply walk up, write, draw, collaborate, as naturally as pen on paper, but with 20 sets of fingers working in concert. The friction, the delays, the exasperation of technology failing you, all of it vanishes. Your ideas flow freely, unimpeded. This is the quiet joy of a tool that simply works, allowing you to focus on the work, not the mechanics. This is not a flimsy consumer gadget. The screen, at 55 inches, is dense. The frame, a substantial piece of cold aluminum, speaks to a serious commitment to longevity. Inside, the Android 11 system, powered by a Cortex-A55 quad-core processor and 4 GB of RAM, means everything happens instantly. File transfers are swift, thanks to Wi-Fi 6. Connectivity is universal, from HDMI to Type-C, ensuring your existing devices plug and play without a second thought. This is a workstation, not a toy. It saves you time, consistently, because it was engineered to do so. Now, it isn't perfect. The integrated Android app ecosystem, while robust, can feel a little untamed at times. You have the freedom to download nearly anything, which also means you have the freedom to download clutter. It requires a discerning eye, a bit of curation. But in the grand scheme of things, considering the fundamental responsiveness and build quality of the display itself, it is a minor quibble. A digital canvas, this capable makes that small inconvenience simply melt away. For the current street price, particularly if you can catch this on sale, this is an investment in productivity, an investment in quality. These Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current price.